Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ascent. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.